Welcome to Housekeeping Master. Today, we are taking a deep dive into the Kikcoin 16-piece ceramic pots and pans set. If you are looking to overhaul your kitchen, whether you are cooking in an apartment, an RV, or a busy family home, this set claims to offer everything you need in one package. But does it actually hold up to the rigors of daily cooking? Let us break it down. First, let us talk about the health aspect. This set is completely free of PTFE, PFOA, and PFOS. Many traditional non-stick coatings use chemicals that can be concerning when overheated. Because this is a ceramic coating made from natural minerals, you get peace of mind knowing that you are not releasing toxic fumes into your kitchen while you sear your steaks or sauté your vegetables. The performance is where things get interesting. Because the surface is so slick, you can cook with significantly less oil or butter. This is a game changer if you are trying to lean into a healthier lifestyle. The granite speckle design is not just for aesthetics, although it does look incredibly elegant on a stovetop. It also hints at a surface that is reinforced for durability. While it is tough, keep in mind that you should stick to silicone, wood, or plastic utensils to keep that surface pristine for years to come. What I really love about this 16-piece collection is the value. Most sets in this price range leave out the specialized items, but Kikcoin includes a 9.5-inch grill pan. That is a massive plus for those who want those perfect sear marks on chicken or veggies without dragging out a heavy cast iron grill. You also get a 7-inch saucepan, a 9.5-inch casserole pot, an 11-inch frying pan, and an 11-inch sauté pan. Plus, you get the glass lids, utensils, and even pan protectors to keep them safe when you stack them away. Cleanup is often the most dreaded part of cooking, but this set makes it effortless. Because the coating is so smooth, food just glides off. A quick rinse with warm soapy water is usually all it takes. There is no heavy scrubbing required, which saves you a lot of time at the sink. Versatility is another highlight. Whether you use gas, electric, ceramic, or induction stovetops, this set is compatible with all of them. The tempered glass lids allow you to monitor your food without lifting the lid and losing all that valuable heat and moisture. Now for the pros and cons. The clear pros are the non-toxic coating, the inclusive grill pan, the beautiful design, and the fact that it is induction ready. On the downside, because it is ceramic, you have to treat it with a bit more care than industrial metal pans. You cannot use metal scrapers, and you should avoid extreme heat changes to maintain the longevity of the coating. However, with the lifetime limited support offered by the manufacturer, it is clear they stand behind the quality of their build. Overall, if you want a complete, aesthetic, and health-conscious set that covers all your bases from boiling to searing, the Kikcoin 16-piece set is a fantastic choice. It is durable, easy to clean, and looks great in any kitchen. Link in the description.